Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your girl Sherry. Cheryl. Anywho, I'm little, what do you call it? Cause look at my poor sister, you guys. She hurt her arm. It's a long story on how it happened, but on the comments, pray that she gets better on her arm. But anywho.
Did you say he get better?
No, pray that she gets better on her arm. Don't mind.
But tonight we're gonna be doing the chicken nugget challenge, but it's not gonna be 100. It's gonna be 40. So we're gonna set the timer for 10 minutes. Okay, I just got rudely interrupted by a text message. I'm sorry. But back to what I was saying is that. Instead of 100 chicken nuggets, it's going to be 40. So we're going to set the timer for 10 minutes and see how much we could eat within 10 minutes. So we're going to get this video started. It's like I'm tired. I have some Tylenol. I'm really sleepy. This pain is killing me.
She's trying to cooperate in that, but she's hanging in there so far.
And I know probably it's different times where other people live in the United, like all over the world. But I want to wish everybody a happy Mother's Day. I hope you guys enjoy your day tomorrow or today.
Or whatever time
it is out there, wherever you guys are at. But I hope you have a great Mother's Day and enjoy it with your kids.
Same. Happy Mother's Day to you guys. Okay,
so we're going to get started.
The chicken nuggets, just to let you know, are in here. Just in case you guys don't know, they're in here.
So they're 40, like I said. It's not like the 100 chicken nugget challenge. We're not trying to copy off any other YouTubers or try to be like we our own style.
Yeah, we're not like, how could you put it? We don't like, well, we'll do things if you guys want us to, but we won't copy the same thing as other YouTubers.
Yes. So we're gonna get started. And did you set the time right?
No, I'll go for that. Okay, setting timer to right there.
Yeah.
Okay, see, I don't know if you can't see, but it's getting set to 10 minutes. So you guys don't think we're cheating, and my thing's too freaking bright. Okay, see? 10 minutes right there. Okay, cool. Don't mind us at this, well, don't mind her at the same time, guys. She's watching a movie on TV as she's eating.
This is my second one.
That's my second one too.
I'll try my hardest to go farther, but I might not make it.
So I could think about it. Because we can't drink coffee. Yeah? Because I noticed some of them were doing it.
Yeah, but if you don't if you drink, it'll fill you up more.
Yeah.
This is my fourth one.
I think
I might be quiet, but it's my fourth one. You can try.
this is, I believe, my fourth one too. Yeah. I have three. Yeah. We're both on our fourth one.
We might be quiet, you guys, because I don't talk while eating. That's like Holly rude.
Right?
But y'all want something wrong?
My poor sister. I'm pretty sure you guys could see it in her eyes. She's tired.
I am bad.
Like, she went to the hospital.
I got up early and left the house like around 8 o'clock. I went to urgent care to get this check. Come to find out I have a broken wrist. It's a long story. I will explain it, but it's a long story.
If you guys want to know,
you can ask me and I'll tell you on story time.
All you guys gotta do is just check out her channel, which is, it should be on the comments down below. Or yeah, or show channel, Drea Marie. This is our fifth one. But yeah, just go check out her channel. It's Drea Marie if you want to know more about her. And she'll be more than gladly to tell you about what happened to her.
But the story is just crazy.
Like, you guys would be like, what? Like, how did that happen?
Yep. I never had a broken bone in my body.
This is the first one.
Hopefully, pray change God, that is the last.
I mean, don't get her wrong. She's twisted her ankles like what? Multiple times.
Basically, I had a sprain in my ankle, like I told a ligament. It's crazy.
But it wasn't like as bad as this.
It wasn't severe as this one. Like my hand hang low like that.
Like if she was literally to take that off, it would be doing that. And like her whole hand is like swollen.
This is keeping it sturdy.
This is my sixth one. But it's horrible, you guys. Like, when she told me the story on what happened, I was like, I didn't even know what to say. Like, I was in shock, and I was like, how can she do that to you? Like, for real, it's just, it pisses me off because I wouldn't think anything of it, but yeah.
Number 7. It might be a little dim in here because we have one light thing.
Yeah. But I'm pretty sure you guys can see us, right? If not, we're sorry. If I have to, I'll shine our light on us. I'm just kidding.
Where are we at now?
We're at
4 minutes.
This right here, look. See you guys right there. But yeah. That was my sixth. I don't know. Well, yeah, you guys want to know. Well, I didn't tell you. And I'm gonna tell you guys too. Crazy boy in there, which to you guys is my fiance. But he was telling me earlier, no? He's like, wow, I'm gonna do the chicken nugget challenge. He's like, you guys won't win. And he goes, I'll beat you guys, I'll beat you guys. I was like, okay, whatever. He's like, I can eat the whole thing. And that. So he says, you guys, so next time if we, what do you call it? Let's do a chicken nugget challenge with him. Let's see
I can help him with that.
Huh? But, yeah. That's my 8th.
I don't know, I just lost train of thought just now.
9th?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I'm about to start getting full here in like 2 more nuggets. You know why? Because it's a bunch of... I can't say.
But yeah. I think this is my 9th. I lost count too, you guys.
I think this is my 9th. I really do, because I was on 8.
Yeah. Basically both of our 9th.
She's on 4. She's trying to play y'all.
No. She just loves saying that.
She's on number 4.
Yeah.
She lost.
Mhm.
She can't catch up with the road dog on her.
She's funny if you guys really get to know her for real.
I am.
Like,
I'm really quiet.
Mhm.
I'm based it to myself.
Mhm. And even in person, like if you were to get to meet her, you'd be like, why does people take her for advantage or granted and that? Because there's some people that do it, huh?
Mhm.
And don't get her wrong, she's a good person. She's a kind-hearted person. But yeah, it's our ninth one. What, buddy? Go to the room. Well, you're
Her
testing that?
fiance he can't challenge it.
Huh. So he says he'll win, but...
He's probably show him all of this money just stuck in his
He'll be all... For real, he will. He'll be all... Then he'll be like at the end, give me some water, babe. I'm choking.
You messed up, eh?
Huh? Go to the room. So far, that's how much we have. I showed you guys.
If it was 100 chicken nuggets, I'd quit.
The whole bowl would
I'd
have been
quit
full.
at this time right now.
The whole bowl would have been full, and we probably would have had like another bowl.
No, I'd have quit. I could not do a 100 chicken nugget challenge. I'm so sorry. 40 would be the good thing, because this is how much it is so far. There's nobody get out there that is he said he could challenge us if he wants.
Yeah. If you guys think Little Casper...
We could add another 10 minutes to see if he could, but he won't.
Huh. If you guys want to see Little Casper challenge us, let us know, and we'll put him in it so he can challenge.
Sorry, we're slacking on our channel. We just...
Like, she hasn't been feeling good.
I haven't.
Like,
I've been...
Not even that. I don't know what it was. I don't even know what you call it. Like, I've been sick myself. And now we both just haven't been feeling good. And that.
If you see us got darker because we got a shadow.
Yeah. This is my 12th. So far,
You got on 12 that fast? I just lost my chart.
I got an 11, going on a 12. 20. This is how much?
We have 20 seconds. After this, we can't eat no more. That's cheap.
See that? Nice. That's how much.
Yeah.
What? We're ready right there. And I
We're
only
done.
ate 12. We're done. Timer.
She won. I got 11.
See, time went out. Wow.
Okay, you guys. Well, that's what our challenge for tonight.
Yeah.
I'm tired. I need to sleep. I've been up since this morning.
She does, you guys. But like I said,
I'm tired for real.
Yeah, she is, and I don't blame her for being tired.
My wrist is bothering me so bad.
All we gotta do, you guys, is just pray and hope
Keep
that
me
she
in your
doesn't go into
prayers.
surgery.
Yeah, I'm going to surgery.
Yep. So just keep her all in your guys' prayers, and once again, good night, you guys, and happy Mother's Day.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And hit
Happy Mother's Day again, and don't forget to hit the notification button.
When done, and we'll talk to you guys later.
I'll talk to you guys soon.
Or soon, yeah. Soon, later,
Soon,
either
later. See you later. Goodbye.
Well,
goodbye for now until.
But bye, you guys. Stop.